you like our videos, please click on the subscribe and bell button to receive notifications to our channel. None of the stocks mentioned herein should be considered as stock recommendations. Please consult your financial advisor prior to acting on any of the information presented here. Friends, since the time we started our channel, the one common comment across all our videos has been to go ahead and record our content in Hindi. Now, it was not directly possible because we also have a non-Hindi speaking audience and we have to take care of their needs as well. So what we did was we went ahead and launched a simultaneous channel in Hindi where all the audio would be in Hindi. So I'm providing a link at the top of the screen. So please go ahead, watch those videos and subscribe to this channel if Hindi is your preferred language. Back again with a new stock which appears very interesting to me, and I wanted to go ahead and share that to you. Now, the stock in question is OCL India Limited. Now, this is basically a cement company, and if you were to look at the chart, like the chart pattern that I have drawn and plotted on the screen, you would get a feeling that it's like a cup and handle formation. Now, this particular formation is a very strong formation as far as technical analysis is concerned and can lead to very good gains. Additionally, the interesting factor here is that this particular stock can also be interpreted in two different ways, and I'll show it to you in some time. So for example, if I was to go ahead and remove all the data, all the drawings here on the screen, if I was just to remove the fact that I don't want to go ahead and include any such drawing plotting any charts here, any chart patterns here, then what I can simply do is I've removed all the drawings, and this can also be constructed as a sort of a trend line breakout. So for example, if I was to go ahead and draw a trend line connecting the 2 points, you would see that this is also a very strong trend line breakout. So this is the second additional factor for this stock, which is very positive. So this stock, in addition to having a cup and handle formation, also has a trend line breakout scenario. So if I was to again go ahead and remove this as well, the third positive formation which is actually getting formed here is that of a ascending triangle breakout. So if I was to just go ahead and plot this and if I was to pull it here, you would see that this pattern is also leading to an ascending triangle breakout formation. So just give me a minute. So all these three patterns which are getting completed here are very strong technical chart patterns. So the reason I'm bringing this video to you is because I came across this and it looks very good. Even if you see here the average volumes are also a little bit higher than normal. But one important factor to consider here is that this stock has broken out a couple of days back. I was not able to see this particular stock, but having seen it, the problem is it has already run ahead a lot. So what one needs to do is he needs to go ahead and map this stock to his watch list and keep watching it. Only if the stocks corrects to a reasonable level closer to the breakout levels, so it is only at that point in time should one go ahead and consider any sort of purchase or sell in this particular stock. So that is pretty much something which we wanted to show you today. Just let me go ahead and also show you what could be the various like the stop loss and potential target levels. So if we were to consider the rounding bottom formation target, so it could be anywhere from it's like 237 rupees above the breakout level, so it could be anywhere in the region of 1580. So the targets here could be 1580, whereas the stop loss level here could be anywhere to the breakout level, which would be like 1340 to 1337 levels. So friends, please don't treat this as a stock recommendation. This is only something which I wanted to show you because I was getting a lot of positive chart formations here. So for example, if all of these three patterns, like which is the drawing of cup and handle formation, and additionally going ahead and having a trend line breakout, also ascending triangle formation. So all these three are very strong chart patterns, and we need to be cognizant of the fact that this stock has given all these three positive technical signals. So just go ahead and monitor this stock and consider it to be just some sort of technical study. There's not a recommendation to buy because the stock has already run up, but in the future, if it comes back and tests these retest levels around about 1340 to 1337 or so, one can go ahead and buy this for targets of close to 1587. So friends, thanks for watching. If you have any doubts or any comments on how we can make these things better, please let us know. And also pardon us for the fact that we are posting such small videos and we are posting more technical content. And the reason is I came across this and I thought it would be interesting to share with you people. Another interesting factor I would want to tell you is be sure I have no vested interest in these stocks. I never buy any stock that I recommend on this website. This is because I don't want to have any certain conflict of interest while going ahead and preparing content for this channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with another video.